48 hours ahead of the polls in Mumbai, the principal of the renowned St. Xavier's College in Mumbai has stirred a hornet's nest by sending out a letter to students. Now, his email, which is highly critical of Modi's Gujarat model of development, says that the prospect of an alliance of corporate capital and communal forces coming to power constitutes a real threat to the future of our secular democracy. Now, the principal's email also supports the Congress-led UPA schemes.
There is nothing wrong at all. If I belong to Congress, I belong to one ideology, then I am free to publicize it. I can ask my people, I can ask voters that you should support my ideology. And he is very right when he says that Gujarat model is the disastrous for the country.
His political opinion should be his own and personal, and he is welcome to exercise his vote the way he wants to. But to influence the students and motivate them or coerce them or pressurize them to vote in a particular manner is a complete misuse of the institution and also the institution of the principal. In all fairness, this father must resign and join Congress party. Nobody would have any objection. Then he is exhorting his followers to vote for this party or that party.
So while a huge political controversy has erupted over the principal call for voting when approached by Times Now, Xavier's principal says, and I quote, "I have not spoken about any particular individual or party. I have just given out a criteria for development based on which people can decide what to do. I have said all that I had to say in my communication," unquote.
Father Fraser Mascarenhas, the principal of St. Xavier's College, Bombay, I think has done the right thing. He is talking about certain forces that are prevalent in the country that are interested only in a small section of the people. He is talking about maybe the nexus between the corporate and the communal forces, which I think is the right thing. Many people are flaunting the Gujarat model as an ideal, but social scientists from across the board, the Government of India Statistics and the Government of Gujarat Statistics say that the Gujarat model is no model of development at all. So he is using it as an example to say that this need not be followed, because development is not only about material prosperity or progress, is about the ordinary people, the poor person.